Hello friends, in today's tutorial we are going to learn how to create Pakistani flag through Python turtle tutorial through Python turtle. So let's start the video. So before start the video, if you are new to my channel, please make subscribe and like to my channel and share more and more to support me. Okay, let's start the video. First import turtle module. Then create an object for displaying the flag. So creating t is equals to turtle dot object turtle. Then create a function to displaying the flag, that is your two boxes of the flag in horizontally. So guys, I have already made a previous video how to make a Indian flag using Python turtle tutorial. So if you have not watched that video, please make sure that you have visited, and that is why this tutorial is going to be easy to you. Okay, let's start. Here the color object is displaying the two box colors, so we are going to fill the boxes as white and green color. So creating an argument, color argument. Then we are going to fill up our color. So begin fill. And then we are going to create our background color. So here to displaying the length and width of two sides. So moving our box forward and then left to make box, and then again back and again left to make another side of the box. Similarly, two boxes will made. So now guys, we are going to create the satellite of the flag. So function. So let's make a function to make the satellite. So name. So guys, using here for loop, we are going to create two white and green circles. That is why our satellite is easy to make. So guys, using here the argument x, y and color as the position and the color of the two circles to make that satellite. Filling our color of the two circles. Guys, now make a function to displaying the star of the flag. So guys, now calling our the three functions above mentioned. So guys, this code will look like this. So after setting this number, all these numbers, so we are going to now running our code. So let's run our code. So guys, as you seen, our Pakistani flag has already made. So let's make subscribe to my channel and support me guys. Thank you. Wishing a good day.